Welcome, dear creatives. In this video I'll be showing you how to make a luxury Aseoke headband. Very beautiful Aseoke headband. Okay, you need the following materials. You need your Aseoke, okay, and here I have 120 inches of the normal Aseoke width, okay, and then you need matching color of thread and your needle. You also need your scissors, you need your band. In this case I have it covered already. If you do not know how to cover your Alice band, please click on the link that is showing on your screen right now to watch that. Yes, I have a video on how I covered this particular one, although it was a different headpiece, the different kind of Aseoke headpiece that I made. And then I have one other video too on how to also wrap your Alice band, but that one I used my bias to achieve that. So the next thing I'm going to do is to take the two ends of my Aseoke and take it to my machine, and then I'll just join those two ends together. I'll sew them together, okay. Now you can see that normally the length of your Aseoke is not up to 120, but of course I had to join together 120 to join two wraps of my Aseoke, and then got the 120 measurement. Now I'm going to take the other two ends of the Aseoke and join them like so, okay. Well, I'll be using my machine to do that. Once I'm done with that, I'll be back, okay. Now I am back. The next thing I'm going to do is to fold like so. Watch the way I'm doing this folding. I'm folding it into two equal halves with that part that I sewed being inside, okay. So I'm going to fold it this way all through, from one end to the other end. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to take my thread and my needle and start stitching. Just watch closely, you understand. I'm going to stitch these ends that I just pointed out, just the end after you folded that tip, not the front part, not the top part, the down part. This part now you just stitch from this from one end to the other end, okay. That's basically what I'm going to do here. So keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe so that more people will get to see this video, and then more people will learn how to make beautiful Aseoke headpieces, luxury pieces, okay. So now I'm going to do this, and then of course I'm going to complete it off camera because I don't want the video to be too long and boring for you. So but I will just show you how I was able to achieve that, and then I'll do the remaining parts off camera. So keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. So at this point I'm done stitching from one end to the other. Next thing I'm going to do is just to start sewing them together. I'll bring the two ends together again into two equal halves like this, and I'll sew from one end to the other end. If you just watch, you will understand what I'm doing. Follow my lead. If you have not turned on your notification bell, then it means whenever I upload my weekly DIYs, you will not get to know. Like YouTube would not notify you, okay, except you come to check by yourself. But if you want it to be very easy for you, you want YouTube to notify you, okay, just make sure you turn on your notification button, click on that notification bell, and then YouTube will do the rest for you. Feel free to share this video so that it will get to more people. next thing I'll do is just to use my hot glue gun and start attaching my beautiful asoke ruffle or beautiful asoke headpiece on the Alice band. Okay, yeah, and you know I already wrapped my Alice band, so I'm going to just put some glue on the Alice band and place this my beautiful asoke ruffle on it. Make sure it is firmly attached. Okay, so I'm going to do this from one end of the ruffle to the other end, and then while doing this I'll try and open up the ruffles, you know, so that it looks finer and fuller, just like so. So keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. So this is how beautiful our asoke came out. Beautiful asoke luxury headpiece.